Nice. Nice. $265. Maybe we should invade more country. By the way, look at this nonsense I saw the other day. How in the world? I imagine there's something in my trunk, and when I put the roof in the trunk, dude, this is cooked. This tank is 17 gallons? I think I was just really low. Full tank, $46, guys. I'm gonna bust.
Hey, what is that?
Oh, it's a little camera.
Yeah?
Yeah.
When you're driving, or?
Yeah, so it records like the first person look.
Okay.
Let's head to the shop. You know what? We can take the scenic route. Let's take a scenic route. I'm down. Gonna go pick up some pens. Full tank, $50. Tires low. I mean, it's gonna be a good day today for sure. We got some special pens dropping. Little Call of Duty themed, if you will. One of them is called Dead Silence. I'm super excited about that one. Let's see what's poppin'. Oh, I'm supposed to go straight. Oh. It wants me to turn around. Pull into this unfinished neighborhood. Wait, I want to take a peek real quick. Wow. That's the most Texas thing I've ever seen, dude. There's gonna be all houses soon. And we made the light. Wait. We did. We did make the light. Oh, we're driving through the neighborhood. Now I feel kind of bad. This isn't really the scenic route. Just a route straight through the suburbs. Huh. Tell you what though, some nice houses in here. I bet you they're all like, they're not that expensive. These are like $1 bajillion homes in California. Probably like 500K here. Damn. Let's tell this car to go. It's like some LA roads. I'm so surprised there's no speed bumps here. Damn. It's a nice one. Oh, I could have gone that way. I think that way's a little more fun. Let's do a little U-ey. Oh. Even the train tracks are smooth in Texas, bro. Oh, dude, don't. Thank you. Damn, alright. Maybe all the train tracks aren't smooth. What? This would be the craziest lick. I don't even really like the chilera flavors, but I'll take it, you know? Dude, I swear I know that girl. That's crazy. We do have a drive-through, but I think I'm gonna go in the front door today. See what's poppin'. Hear the fans going nuts. What's up, man? Ooh. Oh, nice. Damn. This one looks sick.
What? Yeah, show me, buddy.
Wow. That's new. Oh, what's up, man? Just looking for a couple pens, you know. I know we don't sell them in the store or nothing. Thank you, my friend. I'm excited about, yeah, this one. Damn, son. Oh, respawn. Okay.
Appreciate you, bro.
I will see you very soon.
Drive safe.
Ounces for 200. Nah, we're cooking. We are cooking. Let's see what we got here, man. We can at least flavor test right now, right? We got the clutch pen, you know, little 2v1, 3v1. Round 11. That's a real COD knowledge one right there. Respawn. We got headshot and dead silence. You guys know I gotta try that dead silence one first. We got brand new batteries, by the way. I'm very hyped about it. She's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nah, that's incredible. I'm definitely not about to drive, you know, right now. That'd be wrong. But I will sit inside the whip. Perhaps try some more flavors. Thank you guys so much for watching another one. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to cop a couple pins. Make sure to drive safe out there, okay? I love you so much. See you in the next one. Peace.